Hey guys, welcome back. My name is David. For this video, I'm just gonna get right into it. Basically, Rakuten is something that gives you points and cash back for purchases that you would have made anyways. It's great because it's easy to use, it's also easy to stack with other offers, and they have a ton of everyday retailers on there. I myself, I've earned over 40,000 points in just the past year and a half by clicking through Rakuten for my everyday shopping. And this is on top of my Chase offers, my Amex offers, this is on top of my credit card points, and so it all stacks up really nicely. It's super simple, I'll show you guys just how to do it and the best ways to approach it. This quarter, for example, I spent about $500 on shopping. I bought some camera equipment, I printed some stuff at Vistaprint, I used my Amex credit at Dell and Saks, and this all added up to about 9,400 points back for me. Now, with the valuation of Amex points being worth at least about 2 cents each, I basically got back $190 from my $500 purchase. So very, very important. I'm not gonna leave you guys a referral link below, just so you guys know that this is my completely unbiased opinion. I love Rakuten so much. I rave about it endlessly, and I want you guys to sign up too because you're gonna get more money, cash, points back on your everyday purchases. However, with that said, if you sign up directly through their website, the sign up bonus is usually only about $10. Whereas if you use somebody else's referral link, it's $20, $30, or even $40 sometimes. So feel free to just Google or ask a friend for a referral link. Or if you can't find one or really need one or want to use mine, just shoot me a message or comment below and I'll post the link there. Now, a quick set of instructions on how to use Rakuten. You can do this on your computer or on your phone. And instructions for your computer. So on your computer, you want to go to their website, search the store, click on the store and click on Shop Now. And then make sure you use that same browser to shop. Opening new tabs is totally fine. Make sure your cookies are turned on and make sure you're not browsing incognito mode. Also, make sure not to click on any other coupon websites while you do this because usually that resets the tracker. So again, super simple. And on your phone, you want to download the app and then log in on the app and shop through there. So when you click on the link, it'll just open the browser in the app and it'll take you to the website. That'll track the purchase and you'll get your points or cash back. After your purchase is complete, it's gonna send the info to Rakuten and you're gonna get the points either a couple days later or sometimes even a couple weeks later. If it happens to not show up, you can actually message them or fill out the form and provide proof of purchase, and sometimes they'll actually just give you those points anyways, even though something was messed up either on their end or your end or for whatever reason. So in addition to the simplicity of Rakuten, they pay you out 4 times a year, either with a check for cash or they'll send the points to your Amex account. And since this is supposed to be a very short video on Rakuten, I'm just gonna give you a brief history summary of how they do what they do, and then a couple things to watch out for more advanced users. So you may or may not have seen Rakuten. If you watch soccer, you definitely would have seen their name in the past couple years. They're a very large, in fact, the largest e-commerce platform in Japan. So they're basically like the Amazon of Japan. And just like Amazon, they're venturing into other things. And Rakuten Rewards is basically one of them. So with this Rakuten platform, they're basically an affiliate marketing company. So when you see other people's videos or Instagram posts, and they're saying, use my name for 20% off of blank retailer, Rakuten basically is doing the same thing, except on a much bigger scale. And then when they get the affiliate marketing commission, they're passing some of this onto you in the form of either cash back or points. So if you're curious, that's basically the gist of what they're doing and how they're able to give you so much money back. And if you ask me, I think the points back is more worth it. But if you don't have an Amex card, that's totally fine. The cash back is gonna stack up really, really quickly. And as always, we come to my favorite part of the video where I offer to you some tips and tricks on how to use Rakuten. Now, I'm gonna show you one thing you can do to take your Rakuten game to the next level. Let's say, for example, I wanna buy a pair of shoes at Adidas. Before I go to Adidas' website, I'm gonna open up Rakuten and type that in. I'm gonna see that it's offering 15% cash back right now. But I'm also curious, is 15% the best that they offer? Or is it sometimes higher or is it sometimes lower? So every time I shop, I'm gonna open up cashbackmonitor.com as well. And so I'll type in Adidas into the search bar and then this page will pop up. There's gonna be a bunch of different cashback portals, travel portals, miles portals, credit card portals. I usually just ignore those, but when I'm curious what the historical rate is, you can click on this button called the View Best Rate History, and you can actually see historically what the Adidas cashback is. And after hovering my mouse for a little bit, I can see that 15% is pretty reasonably high for Adidas, especially since we're using Rakuten. And again, I prefer this because it lets me earn American Express rewards points. You can certainly look into other programs, other travel portals, other points back portals for credit cards. But again, this is dependent on where you bank all your points and cash. Although I love getting value out of my money, I do value my time as well. And I feel like having too many cash back portals and keeping track of everything is way too tedious for me. So I kind of cap it at where I feel comfortable. For me, I love my credit card rewards and my points. And also with Rakuten, I can bank most of my cash back with one company. And that lets me turn it into membership rewards. So that's one less thing I have to worry about. I have $5 coming in from here, $10 coming in from here, $15 coming in from there. It gets really confusing and really hard to keep track of. And especially since I'm already shopping at these stores anyways, if I'm stacking this with a 30% sale, a 50% sale, a 60% sale, and I'm getting another 15% back from Adidas, this is a crazy discount from what the retail price would have been. Now for more advanced credit card users, Rakuten actually stacks with Chase and Amex offers, but only sometimes. So basically there's cashback shopping portals and there's credit card offers. For the cashback shopping portals like Rakuten, you're basically clicking through their affiliate link, shopping through them, and then they get the transaction data and give you the cash back or points back. With the credit card offers, you basically add the offer to your credit card, and your credit card company is gonna track your credit card for the same transaction, and then they'll give you, let's say, maybe $10 cash back for spending $50. And they'll just add that as a statement credit for your credit card. Sometimes you get lucky and you can actually stack these two together, but sometimes you can't. And actually in the past couple months, I have the perfect example for this. So for my Amex card, I actually had a 10% offer on Dell. So what I did was I added this offer to my Amex credit card and I clicked through the Rakuten shopping portal to shop on Dell. This actually worked out really well for me because in May of 2020, I was able to take advantage of both offers at the same time through one transaction. However, if you look at my November transaction, it was basically the same offer, but for some reason they didn't give me the Rakuten points for it. So as they say in the points game, your mileage may vary. In my experience, usually when you stack and something doesn't work, usually the credit card offer trumps the cashback portal. So you want to compare the rates and see which one is better to take advantage of. But again, who knows? Maybe in a month, it'll be the cashback portals that's winning the transactions. However, that's kind of a risk you take with trying to stack offers, is that when you try to stack these offers, you've basically accepted the fact that you're going to be okay with it if one of them doesn't work. So if one offer is significantly better than the other, you might want to just use the significantly better offer. So at the end of the day, Rakuten is just another way to maximize the value out of your everyday spending. It's money that you would have spent shopping anyways. It's money that you would have bought something with anyways. Why not get some cash back? Why not get some more points back for it? So again, if you're unable to find a referral link, just comment below or message me and I'll give you mine. I just wanted to show you guys that this is my completely unbiased opinion of how great Rakuten really is. So once again, thank you so much for getting through this video with me. If this helped you at all, please comment below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos on, again, how to get value out of your money. So thank you for sticking around and I'll see you guys next time.